Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add music to Instagram post with multiple photos. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram application. So once you open Instagram, you simply need to click on the plus icon in the bottom and click on this multiple photos and select multiple photos. So once you select it, click on next, click on next again. So once you are on that screen, you simply need to scroll down. Here you need to add caption, and here you can see add music. You can add different music from For You page, and if you want you can search music as well. So I want to add this music, for example. Click on that, click on tick mark, and now this music is added. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.